Welcome to Proclaim, a presentation of the Catholic Diocese of Alexandria. Join us as we journey together through the Scriptures revealed to us by God.
Good morning and welcome to Proclaim. The scene changes now as Jesus is once again in the area near Jerusalem, but not precisely in the city. It says, when he was in Bethany, reclining at table in the house of Simon the leper, a woman came with an alabaster jar of perfumed oil, costly, genuine spikenard. She broke the alabaster jar and poured it on his head. Clearly a dramatic gesture, and somewhat different than the way we find this basic story told in other Gospels, where it was his feet that were anointed, not his head. But again, the symbolism is still very much there. It basically is something that is initially misunderstood, particularly by the disciples, but which Jesus sees as symbolic of his death. We're not told who this woman is. There's been speculation throughout the centuries that she might have been Mary Magdalene, that she might have been Mary of Bethany. We simply don't know. And perhaps that's not accidental, that Mark wants us to see her action, not her identity, and the fact that Jesus will comment on the fact of what she's done in its significance relating to his death is something that truly will come true when Mark will clearly tell us, as Jesus tells her, that these things will be remembered. We're still remembering them because Mark has recorded them for us, and we find this episode certainly exceptional, certainly a very dramatic gesture, one that is interpreted with profound significance.
This program was brought to you by Antoon Enterprises.